going to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. But before that, I'm going to show you some of my favorite a product that I have, I'm a favorite. It's a favorite of mine. It's favorite. It's just one product, but it's 4 different things. Are you following me? Are you still with me? I hope so. Wow, I love this product. Wow, I love this product. It is, I've got 4 different things here that I really enjoy. I carry them with me when I travel, and it works good with my hair. My hair is thick but fine. It's natural curly, and I like to wear my hair straight, so I really have to work at it. But I found, let me just start from the products that I love. This was shown on, let's see, Hoda and Kathy Lee, or Kathy Lee and when she was on there. Hoda loved this and endorsed this, loved this, or said she liked it. I don't know if she endorsed it or not, but she said it's one of her favorite things. That was one of her favorite things. Wow. This one is Dream Coat. This helps when you straighten your hair. I just spray it on there really good. This one's for curly. This is Dream Coat for curly hair. This is just Dream Coat, and I think it says on here for, it doesn't say for straightening, but it does. It just calms your hair down. And then this one is for curly hair, and the colors of them. This one's more silver. This is more gray or silver, if that makes sense. Next, I saw this and I thought, I gotta try it, because when I blow my hair straight, or not straight, just blow it dry, my hair's frizzy. Oh my gosh, it's frizzy. I take a dab of this. This is the Wow 1 Minute Transformation Styling Cream. I take a dab, put it in my hands, and do it all in my hair. And my hair just calms down. And you don't have no frizz. That's what works for me. And I thought, I need to do a video on this. First day I've used it was today. I didn't get my hair really dry in the back. I just put it in a little bun. But you gals and guys, if you have frizzy hair and you want to style it, this styling cream, I promise you, it will work. It worked for me. If you've got frizzy hair, curly frizzy hair. Just a little bit though, not a whole lot. And then I also have this other, it's a speed dry. I spray this sometimes when I want to get my hair dry real quick, or just if I do a scrunch it, get it curled, whatever. And this is the Wow Speed Dry. And I've used about down there, and I've had this probably a month. I love it. So, wow, you've wowed me, okay? I think when you find things that you love and things you want to share with everybody, not everybody's going to like what you like. Not everybody's going to be like you. But if I can share a little bit of products, a little bit of things that I love, and it helps you, that makes me happy. I try to make people as happy as they possibly can. I try to keep a smile, I try to keep a good attitude, and I try to keep a good heart. So you go out today and be the best you can to make people happy. And there's some people you can never make happy because they don't want to be happy. But if you want to be happy in your heart, you can make other people happy. I promise. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm sending you another hug. I sure hope you feel it. Until tomorrow.